There's another clue!
Let's read it carefully.
Wow, who left this box here? Maybe it's for us. Wait, let's look carefully first.
It looks magical.
There's a note!
Don't open it yet.
There's another clue!
Let's read it carefully.
A kind heart.
What do you think it means?
Huh? Maybe it just needs a hug. Wait, did you see that?
Whoa.
Look, it's showing us the way.
Stay together, everyone.
It's all alone. Let's help it. It worked.
Not completely.
More clues. Come on, let's see where they go. I can't reach it. Don't worry, we'll help. Thank you so much. Look, it's changing again. Huh?
Oh dear.
I'll help you.
Thank you, my young friends.
The lock is gone. It's opening. Wow!
The best gifts are the good deeds we do for the sake of Allah.
That was the best surprise ever!